Hey, Ethan? Ethan? Buddy, what do you think of those ducks? They're neat, aren't they? They're neat. Yeah. They run around and they make cute little noises. Yeah. They're fun to watch, aren't they? Aren't they? Yeah. And then we've got the bantams. They're so tiny. I can't believe how tiny they are. When the store getting them, they were all out of other chickens. And so they just looked like normal little chicks. Then we got them home and they're just so teeny. Oh, Carly. But they're just so small. Oh my. Now we've only had, Carly. We've had buff Orpingtons as layer hens before. And I thought they were really small, but they were definitely bigger than these. Maybe not the first day, but I don't know how long they were at Tractor Supply. I was going to ask and then I completely forgot. There was kind of a line. But those ducks are so darn cute. But the ducks are pretty skittish, so we'll have to work on them. Are you talking to the ducks? Hi, mister. Carly scared him over this way. So we do have some chicken wire that I plan on putting over this. I haven't quite found a great way to do it yet, with being able to still get in the coop when we need to and change the food and water. So I think that'll kind of be just a trial and error thing as we go along. But they're doing good. They haven't tried to jump out or escape or anything, so we'll see. Carly's very curious. Now Carly was around when we had the Orpingtons also, so she's a little used to this. And she does pretty good. She just wants to sniff them and check them out. I think Ethan's enjoying them. Well, now he wants to see the chickens.